Hello friends, it's our lesson number 2, the noun, the marker of gender. You know that the noun is a changeable part of speech. Nouns are differentiated by grammatical gender. For example, a boy, мальчик, is masculine. A girl, девочка, is feminine. A sun, солнце, is neuter. Let's read again. Мальчик is masculine. Девочка is feminine. Солнце is neuter. The gender of noun is shown by its endings in the nominative case. Nouns, which in the nominative consist of pure stem ending in a consonant, are mostly masculine. For example, стол, стул, пол, ковер, карандаш. Let's read again. Стол, стул, пол, ковер, карандаш. Nouns in a, ya ending in singular are as rule feminine. For example, земля, страна, дорога, работа. Let's repeat. Земля, страна, дорога, работа. Nouns in o, ye, ya in the nominative singular are mostly neuter. For example, село, поле, пламя. Село, поле, пламя. When a noun in the singular is replaced by a pronoun, the gender of the two must agree. Мальчик becomes he, он. Мальчик becomes он. Дорога becomes she, она. Дорога becomes она. Село becomes it, оно. Let's repeat again. Мальчик becomes he, он. Is masculine. Дорога becomes she, она. Is feminine. Село becomes it, оно. Is neuter. Okay, friends. Determine please the gender of these nouns. For example, a moon, in Russian, луна. Луна becomes she, она, feminine. A tree, дерево, becomes it, оно, is neuter. Let's continue.